1. What is the primary function of a closed-circuit television (CCTV) system in a security framework? A. To publicly broadcast video feeds. B. To provide controlled surveillance in designated areas. C. To replace physical security guards entirely. D. To enhance network bandwidth capacity. 2. Which of the following best describes a DVR used in CCTV systems? A. A device for encrypting data. B. A device that records and stores video footage digitally. C. A tool for converting analog video into text. D. A camera used for motion detection only. 3. In curriculum development for CCTV operator training, which element ensures adult learners remain engaged? A. Repetition without context. B. Hands-on practical exercises. C. Passive observation. D. Solely theoretical discussion. 4. Which cable type is most commonly associated with traditional analog CCTV systems? A. HDMI. B. Coaxial. C. Fiber optic. D. USB. 5. In an evaluation method for CCTV operator competency, which is most effective? A. Multiple choice theory test only. B. Observation of live monitoring tasks. C. Peer-to-peer informal discussions. D. Memorization of manuals. 6. IP-based CCTV cameras primarily rely on which network protocol? A. HTTP. B. TCP/IP. C. SMTP. D. POP3. 7. Which mentoring technique is most effective when introducing new staff to CCTV system monitoring? A. Assigning them tasks without supervision. B. Providing structured shadowing opportunities. C. Giving them only user manuals. D. Allowing trial and error with no feedback. 8. What is the legal consideration most critical in CCTV system placement? A. Brand of the camera. B. Local privacy and data protection laws. C. Resolution of the footage. D. Frame rate configuration. 9. In communication between security teams, which CCTV-related report is essential for shift handovers? A. Maintenance request sheet. B. Incident log with video reference. C. Visitor attendance list. D. Monthly budget sheet. 10. In adult learning principles, what improves the retention of CCTV system knowledge? A. Continuous lecture delivery. B. Problem solving through real scenarios. C. Lack of feedback. D. Memorization drills only. 11. Which lens type allows wide-angle CCTV coverage? A. Telephoto. B. Varifocal. C. Fixed narrow. D. Fisheye. 12. When evaluating CCTV performance, what metric is most important? A. Storage device brand. B. Image clarity under low light. C. Number of cables used. D. Color of the monitor. 13. What is a PTZ camera designed to do? A. Remain fixed in one direction. B. Pan, tilt, and zoom remotely. C. Record only audio data. D. Provide wireless charging. 14. Which of the following is a regulatory compliance issue with CCTV systems? A. Length of HDMI cable used. B. Unauthorized recording of private areas. C. Cost of the storage devices. D. Resolution set to 720p. 15. In mentoring CCTV staff, feedback should be A. Vague and occasional. B. Immediate and specific. C. Rare and negative. D. Avoided completely. 16. What is the main advantage of network video recorders (NVR) over DVR systems? A. They support IP cameras directly. B. They consume less electricity. C. They only record audio. They eliminate the need for networks. 17. Which evaluation method best measures a CCTV operator's decision-making? A. Written true-false exam. B. Simulation of live incident scenarios. C. Reading comprehension quiz. D. Peer survey questionnaire. 18. When communicating CCTV findings to management, which format is most effective? A. Formal reports with video evidence. B. Informal hallway discussions. C. Unverified rumors. D. Social media updates. 19. In curriculum development for CCTV training, which approach supports diverse learning styles? A. One-size-fits-all lectures. B. Blended use of theory, practice, and visuals. C. Sole reliance on reading assignments. D. Audio-only instruction. 20. Which CCTV camera is best suited for low-light environments? A. Infrared camera. B. Standard analog camera. C. Thermal printer camera. D. USB webcam. 21. Which of the following best describes motion detection in CCTV? A. Ability to record audio signals. B. Automatic recording when activity is sensed. C. Manual panning by operator. D. Conversion of video into text logs. 22. In adult learning, why is immediate practice essential for CCTV trainees? It ensures quick memorization. It enables application of theory to real-world tasks. C. It minimizes the need for mentors. D. It reduces hardware usage. 23. When designing a CCTV training program, which factor is key for compliance? A. Regulatory standards and privacy laws. B. Camera brand popularity. C. Monitor screen size. D. Length of the course. 24. Which CCTV technology uses wireless transmission of footage? A. IP-based cameras with Wi-Fi. B. Analog cameras with coaxial cables. C. DVR-only systems. D. HDMI exclusive systems. 25. Which mentoring strategy encourages independent skill development in CCTV operators? A. Micromanaging every task. B. Encouraging reflective questioning. C. Withholding explanations. D. Repetitive drills without context. 26. What is the function of video analytics in CCTV systems? A. Converting footage into printouts. B. Automatically identifying unusual activities. C. Cleaning lenses remotely. D. Extending cable length. 27. Which is the best communication tool for reporting CCTV evidence to law enforcement? A. Secure digital copy of footage. B. Unverified email attachments. C. Social media clips. D. Verbal descriptions only. 28. When evaluating CCTV system effectiveness, which factor is least relevant? A. Operator alertness. B. Camera placement. C. Frame resolution. D. Color of equipment casings. 29. In adult learning principles, how can mentors improve CCTV operator confidence? A. By discouraging questions. By offering supportive coaching and encouragement. C. By focusing only on mistakes. D. By avoiding role modeling. 30. Which regulatory standard often governs CCTV data handling in the EU? A. HIPAA. B. GDPR. C. FCC. D. OSHA. 31. Which device connects multiple CCTV cameras to a single monitor? A. Multiplexer. B. Amplifier. C. Decoder. D. Router. 32. What is the purpose of encryption in CCTV systems? A. To save on storage costs. B. To secure video data from unauthorized access. C. To enhance video colors. D. To reduce resolution. 33. Which evaluation strategy best determines retention of CCTV procedures after training? A. Surprise quizzes weeks later. B. End-of-day verbal recap. C. Peer rating sheets. D. Attendance log review. 34. Which communication method ensures clarity in CCTV operations? A. Written SOPs and visual demonstrations. B. Randomized verbal instructions. C. Informal peer gossip. D. Reliance on memory. 35. What is a dome camera's main advantage? It conceals the viewing direction. B. It is always waterproof. It only works indoors. D. It cannot zoom. 36. Which adult learning principle applies when trainees reflect on CCTV mistakes to improve? A. Experiential learning. B. Passive memorization. C. Repetitive lecture.